Hello, everybody. This is Phil Grigsby with the National Weather Service in New Orleans, Baton Rouge area, and this is our weekly weather briefing for today. So the quick overview, we're expecting some rain showers to develop tonight and last into tomorrow. The good news is we're not really expecting much in the way of thunderstorms or severe weather, and rainfall won't be too heavy. Generally, we're thinking less than a half an inch. The weekend looks great. It's going to be really nice weather, very pleasant. And then it looks like we'll get a little more unsettled as we move into next week. Rain chances will return, and we may even have a few thunderstorms on Tuesday. This is just a quick 7-day threat outlook, and as you can see, there really isn't much to talk about for much of the period. On Tuesday, again, we do have that low or marginal risk of severe thunderstorms. That's something we'll have to kind of keep an eye on, and we will update you accordingly. We're going to have another one of these on Sunday, so we'll have a little better idea then of what we think is going to happen on Tuesday. So here's that rain forecast for tomorrow. You can see there's half an inch or less of rainfall expected across the area. Nothing too bad, just kind of a gray, rainy day outside. So be prepared for that. Definitely bring your umbrella with you or a rain jacket to work. And then the rain forecast for next week, you can see it's a little heavier rain. We're expecting 1 to 2 inches of rain over the 4-day period there from Monday through Thursday. It's going to be several rounds of rain that occur. The first round looks like it's going to move in Monday night and continue into Tuesday. And again, we have that low or marginal risk of severe storms on Tuesday. That's something we'll have to keep a look out at. So we'll keep you guys posted. The second round of rain should move in Wednesday and Thursday as a cold front moves through. It's going to bring us probably some cooler temperatures as we get into the middle of the week. You'll see temperatures drop from the 70s on Monday and Tuesday back down into the 60s and maybe in the 50s by the end of the week. Overall, the rainfall totals will be 1 to 2 inches again, and we're not really expecting any major issues from flooding because of that. And speaking of flooding, we've had some pretty high water on the Mississippi River for the last couple of weeks. It looks like it's still in moderate flood stage in Baton Rouge. The good news is the river is cresting and should begin to fall by the beginning of next week, and it looks like it'll be back below flood stage by February 10th. As we get into New Orleans here, you can see the river is expected to crest over the weekend. We're not expecting anything to get to the flood stage, and then it will begin to drop as we get into the weekend, and the following week we get back down below 14 feet by Wednesday the 12th. So the quick summary here, it looks like the showers will move through the area tonight and tomorrow. Nothing too bad with that. Nice weekend of high temperatures in the 60s, sunny weather. Looks great for any activities that anybody has planned outside. And then we're expecting several rounds of rain next week with that low risk of severe storms on Tuesday. So we'll keep you posted on that with any future briefings.